Okay, we're coming up on the location. Every time I click stop record or record on my other screen, it minimizes my Star Wars Galaxy screen. It wasn't meant for two screens. When I play Magic the Gathering Arena, it's fine with that. Maybe it is a setting. I don't have to try it. Anyway, 350 or so meters to go. Now, I do have a fast transport. It's called the Rattletrap Pickup. So I can go back from where I'm at as long as I find a nice open area. It cost me like 50,000 gold, or 50,000 credits. It's kind of expensive. Or 10,000 credits? I forget. I think it's 50,000. Okay. This is where I'm going. So I'm going to bring out my pet. So I noticed my level is now 73. My pet should still be fine, because I think my pet can be 10 levels above mine. That's hungry. But as I start taking off more doctor skills, I'm also going to have to... Let's see what else. I have some of these buffs still. Just not this one. In this one. Okay. I'm going to have to simultaneously take off some creature handler stuff, and that'll leave me... kind of, as I start decreasing in level, I can start decreasing my pet as well. Okay, well, there's something down here. Defeat your adversaries. I'm glad I brought my pet out. I know I'm still dependent on my pet. How do they expect you to do this, though? If you only have a training lightsaber. Actually, I don't even have a lightsaber skill yet. Okay. Very well done. I guess they don't expect you to be using your lightsaber yet. They're your previous powers. Very well done. There are hidden dangers everywhere for Force sensitives. You responded to the passion and fierceness of the enemy with that of your own. Continue learning this new set of skills to enhance your abilities with the Force. Go back to Ahsoka at the ranch. That's it? Be careful. That's her, my shrine is on... My Jedi shrine is on this planet as well. The goal of that was basically watch out, be prepared. Okay. Maybe I'm not going to be a good Jedi. So I'll show you how the rattle trap works. I have to get away from this a little bit, I think. You have to make sure you're not within other areas. Anything else around you. Let's try it here. There we go. Takes 30 seconds, and this little transport pickup will come over. You jump in, you give it some money, and some kind of... I forget what it's called. Something that had to be crafted from space loot or something. I forget. I have like 50 of them in my inventory. I think it's 50,000 gold or credits. Why do I keep saying gold? Because I've been playing D&D Second Edition. That's why I keep saying gold. Okay, let's go to the mining outpost. 10,000 credits. Okay, yeah, it's much better than I was saying. Okay. So now we can essentially just go straight to Dathomir. And we'll use our fast pickup. And so I never talked about this before. My name, the character's name is Boba Fett. I know it's stupid. It's very stupid, but whenever I was about 15 or 16 years old, I played the old Star Wars role-playing game. It was the second edition at the time. I think it's a blue book. It's a blue book. The old, sit-down role-playing game. Not computer game, just like with friends. And a good friend of mine that's like 8 years older than me was running the game. And All these people that were in playing with me are still some of my best friends to this day. But just for fun, like when we made characters for that game, that role-playing game, we all chose just to switch first letters of people's names and then play those characters. So basically, I played Suk Lightwalker. My other friend played Buchaka. My other friend played San Holo, and there was someone else. And anyway, Jedi in that game suck, by the way. They're just terrible. They're way underpowered. They're not anywhere close because they have to spend some of their dice towards Force stuff, which makes them much worse than everyone else. And then you have to find a master or someone to teach you, like Ahsoka. Anyway, so that's why I'm Boba Fett, and in the original game, my buddy played Buchaka. Anyway, I know it's stupid. Don't criticize me. I was 14 or 15 or something like that. Do not let your emotions overtake you, especially in the heat of battle. A calm mind will maintain a close connection with the Force. Oh, crap. Yeah, gotta equip our lightsaber again. Okay, Ahsoka sent you a message. It's time for you to enhance your current understanding of the Force. I want you to travel to Yavin. Yeah, we just did that. Okay. Alright. Got more Jedi experience points. So I can use those Jedi experience points for, like, these boxes. I have 4,124 right now. Need 1.6 million for this top box. 3.2 million for this top box. Whew. No idea how much we're actually going to get when we start killing stuff. For your third lesson, it's time to delve into the many ways in which you will be able to heal and restore others in need. Okay, this is the healing one. I am ready. Okay, 8 skill points. Oh, you're killing me, Ahsoka. Literally. Okay. Guess we'll get rid of more of these. Okay, there's 8. There's 8 for you. Take all my points. Force heal. Being able to keep yourself and others alive in the heat of the battle was an incredible gift. Okay, now I can heal myself, and it's not so bad, right? That I'm getting rid of my skills. Where is it? Force heal. There's force heal. So if I put this like beside this one, it's a moderate amount of damage, so we'll see how much it actually does. If it starts healing enough, then I can just totally get rid of Doctor. And look at these numbers. That's going crazy. I'm in the middle of nowhere. Okay, what's next, Ahsoka? You must expend the depth of your compassion for living things. There's something I want you to see. Go there now. Learn how the Force affects not only people, but the very planet itself. You will visit an example of a place where the Force changed the area. Go to the Naboo Island. First steps piece. Yeah, I think Ahsoka would be a great teacher. She probably understood more than, you know, a lot of the Jedi, just because she understood, you know, I don't know why I'm talking about this. This is so geeky. She understood the good and the bad. And she she understood the bad with the good, and the good with the bad. Does that make sense? Okay, let's put our... We're going to Naboo somewhere. Let's see where that's at. It's the island, so it could be down here. So let's go to Moenia. It's usually a rebel starport or a rebel area anyway, which is good for us. All right. We're 11,500 meters away. So let's see where we have to go. It is pretty westy. Is this where we're going? Something wilderness. Is it the lake retreat? Let's zoom in a little bit. I think so. That's the island we're going to, Lake Retreat. So there's a shuttle port there. So we're gonna go to that shuttle port. Hopefully this is all the boxes. Well, I'll have a lightsaber one too, unless this is the lightsaber one I just paid for. What is that? I can go straight to the ranch from here? Holy crap, from anywhere? I didn't know that. I thought you had to go to Dathomir first. That's pretty sweet. So if you're getting hunted and you're on any planet, as long as you get to a terminal like that, you can go straight there, straight to the ranch. That's pretty cool. Those are some pretty big mines if they cross planets. In solar system, you know, not the entire solar system, but it's pretty cool. Kind of cheesy. I don't mind having to go to Dathomir first. I think that's okay, but, you know, it's free anyway, traveling to Dathomir on your own ship. You saw how many ships I have? I think I have like 4 or 5 ships. So it just takes a step out, so I guess why not? It's just a game. I really need to take a nap soon. Flutes. There's flutes here. Bring out my Krillian Sand Panther again. Let's feed this guy. Yeah, let's see how many buffs I have left. Not that one. Probably have the weaker one version of that, though. Okay, so let's see. It's like a pen. It looks like a pen. That's how I do this. Nutrient injection. Improved nutrient injection. Because that was advanced. Did I get rid of the improved? Yeah. So just nutrient injection. It's better than nothing. And then these two. Improved poison and improved disease. Poison, poison, poison. I don't use these very often. I mean, I always buff with them anyway, but they're only good for whenever you actually get poisoned and diseased. We're not going to worry about them right now. Feel the force in this place. Use your connection with the force to sense the pain of another being. Ooh, that doesn't sound good. Okay, what am I doing? I'm at Queen Amidala's beach, by the way. Should I kill this? I think that's what they want me to do. See those flutes there? The force connects all living things, and through it, you can sense the feelings of another living thing. Now, harness your compassion and use the force to heal this animal's pain. Okay. Force heal. Okay, that makes sense. I must remove my armor. So after this... Alexa just scared the hell out of me. I'm like home by myself, and Alexa just said something. Scared the hell out of me. Very good. Remember that the Force is a very powerful ally and can be used to heal both yourself and others. You have the beginnings of this knowledge, but to become masterful in this skill will require much work. Okay. Go back to Ahsoka at the ranch. Okay. Actually, we're going to go get a robe first. Because I'm a little naked right now. I might be able to wear these since it doesn't have armor. I'm going to try to wear these. Everything else I'm just going to drop off at my house. I don't have a robe. Maybe Ahsoka will give me a robe.